Hey guys, it's Osby from Rough Country. Today we're going to look at the install procedure of our coil spacer kit for the 99 to 06 two-wheel drive GM 1500 model pickup trucks. To begin the process, jack up the vehicle and remove the front tires and wheels. Remove the bolt that secures the brake line to the knuckle. Remove the ABS wire from the mounts on the control arm and from the clip on the upper coil seat. Loosen and remove the tie rod by striking the knuckle as shown. Remove the brake caliper and the brake rotor and set them aside. Then remove the sway bar. Loosen and carefully remove the shock. Loosen the upper ball joint nut, holding the upper control arm onto the knuckle. Then remove the ball joint by either using a ball joint separator tool or by striking on the upper portion of the knuckle until the upper ball joint is free. Remove the coil spring. Leaving the coil spring isolator in place, install the new spacer on top of the coil spring. Then rotate the machined cutout 180 degrees from the spring pigtail. Install the coil spring into the spring bucket. Then use the jack to raise the lower control arm by compressing the coil spring. Attach the upper control arm to the knuckle using stock hardware and tighten. Then install the sway bar link using factory hardware. Install the factory shock using factory hardware and tighten. Slide the brake rotor back onto the hub assembly and install the brake caliper onto the knuckle and tighten. Install the brake line on the knuckle and tighten. Then attach the brake line to the upper control arm using factory hardware. Reattach the ABS wire back to the factory clips and be sure to plug it in. Reinstall the tie rod end and tighten. And finally, install the tires and wheels and lower your vehicle to the ground.